Hi guys, so let me show you how I made this cake. And as you can see, the cake is soft and fluffy, or you can say it is soft and succulent, any of the above. So I made this cake without oven and it came out well. So let me show you how I made the cake. So first you get eggs, you get two eggs, and you add the egg to the container you want to use in mixing your ingredients for the cake. Then after the two eggs, you add your sugar, 100 grams of sugar. Then you mix together, you mix it very well together. Then after adding the sugar to the eggs, you add oil to it, and the oil you'll be adding has to be 70 ml. So make sure your measurement is correct. After that, you add your milk to it, and the milk has to be 100 ml. And after that, you add your salt, and the salt has to be 1 tablespoon, and then you mix together. And after that, you add your vanilla essence, and that too has to be 1 tablespoon. And after that, you add your flour. Your flour has to be 160 grams of flour. Then you add your baking powder, and the baking powder has to be 1 tablespoon. And that's all for that. Now all you need to do after adding all these ingredients is to mix together. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. I know most of you don't make cake this way, but try this way and thank me later. As you can see, it came out well even without oven. So I want to use this opportunity to thank my viewers, the new viewers. Thank you. We love and appreciate you for opening our video. We pray and we hope you open the rest of our videos, because we have amazing and interesting content. And for the old viewers, thanks for always coming back to check out our channel. So as you can see, you mix it well. After mixing it well, now this is my pan I'll be using to bake the cake. So I had to grease it with butter. So now I'm going to add my already mixed cake to the pan to bake. Then while I'm doing this, I get a pot and add sand to the pot, and then the pot is already on fire so that it will be hot, be getting hot before I'm ready. So after that, when I've already put the cake in the pan and everything, I just add it straight to the pot, and then I increase the heat for like 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you just reduce the heat, you reduce it very well, and then you allow the cake sit in that pot you cover it and you allow it to sit in the pot for 15 to 30 minutes. So once it is up to 15 minutes, you check it. If it's not ready, you allow it to sit for like 30 minutes. Once it is 30 minutes, you check again. By then it is supposed to be ready. That's if it's this quantity you're using, it's supposed to be ready. So once your cake is ready, that's all. You bring it out and you eat. And that was how I made this sweet, delicious, soft and succulent cake, and it actually came out well. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cake. Let me know if you've ever baked cake like this before. Let me know if you're going to make cake now without waiting to have oven. Let me know whatever you feel about the cake in the comment section. And please don't forget to share also. Thank you. So I'm just going to cover it now and allow it to do its thing. So now, as you can see, this is the cake. Like, why won't you want to make these every week if possible? So at least you can once in a while enjoy yourself or have something like dessert to eat. So thank you for watching. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Have an amazing day or have an amazing week. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Thank you. Bye.